Welcome to Green PMF Presentations. My name is Jeff Baker and our contact information is below. We hope you enjoy the tutorial that's about to follow.
Hello and welcome to the iMovie tutorial for green screening, which, like so many of the other things that I've demonstrated on iMovie, the people that wrote this were particularly thoughtful and made it quite easy. You can see up here I've just got a few simple clips that I've added from samples library, and what I'm going to do is just drag one of them down like so, and you'll note that that's there on the bottom. I'm going to bring in and put my little play cartoon character on top. As you can see, that's the only one I can see at the moment. And just to pad things out, because I don't think it will. Good, it will let me. So let's change the zoom, make this a little easier for us to see. There we go, it's good enough. Now if I was to play this, you would only see our character dancing. Set the timeline rather. There we go, there's our character shaking its thumb, showing his moves. Cool dude. Okay, what we need to do is just select this. Sorry, right, click on it and it becomes yellow. Now what we're going to do is click up here on video overlay images, and I'm going to select green, and there we have our little chap. Now we can grab handles and we can tweak it off a little if we want to. There we go. In this case, in this example, we don't need to, but if we had some junk that we wanted to not be included, we could just crop it out this way, like so. And that is it. It's nice and simple, isn't it? Yeah. Let's go back to our green screen, our main box, set our timeline, and you'll note initially he's got a black background. That is because our main video is quite slow to start. It has a bit of black at the beginning there. So let's play that now and let's watch our man's moves. Well, that's looking pretty cool. Look at him shake. And green screen, as I say, it is as simple as that. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial and found it useful. Please check our channel, as we're adding videos and tutorials all of the time, not only for iMovie but various other utilities tools, and also there's a computing theoretical section which we're writing as well. Please check out our wiki, as that also has a lot of information on it. Thanks again for your time, and hopefully look forward to seeing you again soon.
I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and if you wish to find out more about us, you can contact us via the link below, or look at our Wikipedia. You'll find lots of other presentations and things that we're working on. Thank you for your time.